We have Algorand, symbol ALGO, versus the dollar, and we'll do a general overview on this one. Let's go down to a daily first, see where we're at on the grand scheme of things. Bounce off the 21 right now alongside the rest of the market, but is that likely to hold or do we trade lower? I do suspect that after this short-term bounce is over, we actually do trade lower, somewhere down around about 160, maybe 155 or so, and that's where I would be looking for potential like major lows on this. Again, a very, very good chart. We've been following this one for the past couple weeks here, and it's been one of the, it's definitely been among the best charts during that time frame. So I would expect first and foremost, when it does come back down, probably does try for a higher low somewhere in the sorry, bless you, sir, 160 to maybe like mid 150 range. But for now, short term very likely is down. Let's see what momentum also to say on the short term timeframes. 4 hour just played out some hidden bearish evidence right there. I wouldn't say that that's like still playable right here, but now I look at trend and I look at trend structure, momentum, and volatility, of which volatility is ticking back above 50 percentile alongside continuation of what would be a downside move right here. We even see a bit of a descending triangle to be fair as well. And let's just mark it off and see what the measure move on that would be. Does it align with my, actually it aligns. Actually, it actually would be pointed a lot further south than what I was initially suggesting at around 160. I'd still give it a chance to bounce at 160 first. However, the technical target is 136. I don't trust that too much, though, to be fair. I actually don't trust that too much right here. Let's go check out Momentum also to see if they agree with that. If they don't, then I'd feel a lot more comfortable with like the 160 area. Let's see. Yeah, 12 hours going to pop back up above about 183. Daily is going to be down as long as below about 207. So I don't think it's like reversing anytime soon. 4 hours going to be down as long as below about $2. Yeah, I do think very, very short term time frames, a little bit of sideways right here, maybe even pops back up to like 185, 190 or so. But overall, I would be looking for this one to trade a little bit lower and then give it a try. More than likely at around 160 instead of like 130, 135 or 136. I think that would be, well, at least I wouldn't feel comfortable looking for that at this exact moment. Again, one of the better charts certainly over the last few weeks here. It's just I would be looking for it to put in some higher lows on this next pullback, if you will, a pretty nasty pullback, and then go from there. So hopefully that was helpful. And there you go, sir. There we go. And of course, invalidation point on the other side, need to have that as well. Bearish as long as below about 210 or so. Above 210, or let's see if that's the last daily high. Yeah, it's right around there, actually, a little bit lower than that, to be fair, about 207. I would say that this is actually going to start to look really, really good above 207, but for right now, sideways, and probably does play out maybe one more wick to the downside, and then we'll come back to it tomorrow. So hopefully that was helpful, and there you go, sir.